Hi there, I'm Claire from english-at-home.com. In today's pronunciation lesson, how to say the CC in words like success. So here are 4 words for you. Success, access, accept, and accident. A common mistake is to pronounce the CC as a ch, so to say success. But remember it's a x, which is a k and a s together. Success, access, accept, and accident. Remember, we still pronounce the x in all the other forms of the words. So, for example, accept, accepted, acceptance, access, accessory, accessorise, success, succeed, succeeded, successful, accident, accidental, accidentally. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget, click subscribe for more English lessons. Bye!